What's up, guys? In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to take clips from a YouTube live stream or video on YouTube. Because on YouTube there isn't a built-in way like there is on Twitch, and on YouTube it's you got to do a little bit more, but it's pretty much just as easy. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to go to neatclip.com. I'll put the link in the description into this, and when you take... Well, first, let me show you this, guys. So I'm going to go to random stream. I'm going to go to I'm the Guns. Shout out to him. And then, basically, all you're going to want to do is copy the link and then paste. But when you first go to the website, there's going to be a similar screen like this. But mine only looks different because I have an actual account. That's why you see all these other ones. Shout out Jada Kid. And you're just gonna click create clip, or you could just click, you just click upload video. But this is what I do. I just click create clip. It's gonna take a few seconds to load. But basically what it does just takes the last 2 minutes of the stream. And it looks a little laggy, but that's only because I'm recording and my PC's not the best, trust me. But when you're doing this, it's just going to come out clean as day. It's got the same quality that the stream was, basically. Just going to click finish. And there's going to be a link down here that's kind of irrelevant. You can click save, whatever, or whatever. You can delete the clip. But what I do, I just save the video. I name it something. I'll name it, like, I don't know, I'm just going to name it 123. And I'm just going to click save. It's going to obviously download to your computer. I'm going to go, excuse me, failed? You want to fight me, bro? What the fuck, man? Alright, look, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go back to save. We're going to name it lol. Okay, now we're going to click save. Okay, well, this time it worked. So basically, all I do
your mouth, woman.
Open the, oh my god.
And she'd be like, please don't talk to me like that. Like,
I'm sorry. But all you gotta do is just, depending on what kind of computer I have, go down here, click trim. And that's really it. That's all you gotta do. That's what I do. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you take clips on YouTube. Peace.